having a specific special
kampuni eziri omurumo gwo kutimba amajuta aga Uganda neya Total Energies Uganda, China National Offshore Oil Corporation hamwe neya Uganda National Oil Company eziri kutimba amajuta omu bidiba byago ebya Terenga na Kingfisher bachwiremo kwekwata n'ebitongore bya gavumenti ekya Petroleum Authority of Uganda na n'ekya National Environment Management Authority NEMA, kandi nebenda okureba ngo bagarura busya ebyobuhangwa kurabira omukujanjaza engeri y'okurwanisa obuveera ebicupa otireho no kubyara emiti.
And restore nature. I particularly implore the oil and gas companies, the international companies, to take proactive steps towards mitigating plastic waste in the day-to-day operations. I also encourage you to collectively work together to reduce plastic footprint by cutting down the use of single-use plastic, but also support the innovation technologies.
Ebigambirwe aha mukoro gwo kwijuka ekiro ky'ebyobuhangwa ekya World Environment Day ogubire omuri Hoima.
For the African spirit in hosting this year's World Environment Day in Cote d'Ivoire and raising the campaign high to challenge the contribution of the human factor in the destruction of the environment.
Filipo Katahwile, Minisita w'obukama bwa Bunyoro ahabw'enshonga z'aheru ya Bunyoro ojwekire mu ikirwa w'obukama nagira ngo nk'obukama bakataho ekiragiro cyo kubyara emiti aha mikoro y'okuziika.
We are even suggesting the mayors should put there some bylaws where it is illegal to drop anything like plastics in the soil, in the rivers, in the streets, because it's a bad culture. Other countries enforce this law very much. You don't throw any plastics anywhere. You don't cut a tree, even if it's in your own compound. Like in America, you can't cut a tree in the city. Even Rwanda, you can't cut a tree unless you are approved.
Bamwe abajwikiriza kampuni bahireyo okweraganisa kwabo okureba ngo emiti n'ebindi by'obuhangwa tibyashishwa kwenda kurinda empindahinduka y'obwire.
We support good practices and shall continue to work with you towards this. If you have had a chance to stay in any of our camps or our offices, there is a specific way we segregate waste. We ensure that the plastic is taken back to the manufacturer for recycling. This is in line with today's practice to avoid plastic pollution.
And options for self-defense, providing us with food and water for our daily requirements. However, our actions often undermine and overexploit later, leading to conflict, liberation, pollution of water bodies.
Okurigera ekitongore kya Uganda National Environment Program tani ziri kurenga miliyoni 3 ez'ebicupa n'obuveera nibyo biri kukorwa buri mwaka omunsi yona. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.